Meet Sebastian. He's a second-year orthopedic surgery resident at Central Hospital. Today, he's called to head the emergency department to consult a patient experiencing thigh pain with a suspected femur fracture. Sebastian finds his patient in a lot of pain. So, after an examination, he decides to perform skeletal traction. He needs an orthopedic drill for this procedure, so he has to go to Central Sterile Processing, pick up the power container and batteries, and come back to the patient's bedside. Next, he gathers a scalpel, drapes, needles, syringes, chloroprene, and brings them back to the patient's bedside. Introducing an all-in-one skeletal traction procedure kit. A kit designed to perform skeletal traction efficiently while maintaining sterility. It includes a specialized K-wire pin, a sterile single-use drill cover, and all other items needed to perform skeletal traction. The kits come with a modified DeWalt drill. This FDA-cleared surgical drill lives close to the patient, either on the ICU, ED, or the floor. With the Arbutus Skeletal Traction Procedure Kit, Sebastian's now able to apply stat traction while improving the patient's experience of care. He sure is loved by many, many patients. Contact us for a free demo unit.